Kwentong Jollibee Mobile Storytelling Redefined. Jollibee has been in existence for close to 4 decades now, and one thing we take pride of as a company is how we have been made part of every Filipino's life, from single everyday joys to important milestones that are part of our cherished memories as individuals or families and loved ones. This long-standing love affair of Filipinos with the brand is a key insight that inspired us to give birth to our Kwentong Jollibee campaign. Actually, it was thought that they are not our usual hard sell campaign materials. So it's really genuine, telling stories about Jollibee and how the brand played a role in your lives. And to top it all, the comment section in the Facebook page and our YouTube channel became an instant portal where netizens just exchange stories, so we didn't even have a running promo na share your Jollibee story. So right there in the comments, we can already see how engaged the people are. To be all simple, heartfelt, and truly Pinoy. So with that, thank you very much again to our partners from Wattpad and the pool of our talented writers whom we will all be meeting earlier. So let me end by sharing with you our latest Kwentong Jollibee entitled Kera. I don't know if you've seen it. It was just launched last night, but it has already close to 3 million views today. So this is in time for September 11. So sit back, relax, and hope you'll all like it. Thank you.